Today we're gonna go ahead and go over on how I made this delicious, amazing melty provolone cheese with chimichurri and marinara. All right, what's up everyone? Today we are gonna try Mad Scientist BBQ roasted provolone. I forget what he called it, but I dried these things out for 5 days. They're very dry, they're cracked. It's about 3/4 inch thick provolone cheese wheels. And I'm pretty sure that he just put these straight down on a hot griddle. Just like this. And toasted the shit out of them until he flipped them. So that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully it works. I can see the edges already boiling up nice. So that's what we want. Let's just hope we get a good griddle sear out of them. See the cracks. You know how dry. Sat in the refrigerator for 5 days. He said 3. I did 5. I see some nice browning on the edges. I don't know if you can see that in there.
Can do that on camera.
Huh?
Is this on now?
Yeah. All right, so I got some fresh made chimichurri here. And also some marinara. Jeremy Yoder was doing this with just chimichurri, but I just really like marinara sauce. So I'm gonna try it with the chimichurri, but I'm also gonna try it with marinara. All right, so these cooled down for a little bit. I'm just gonna cut them into little wedges. Let's start first with the chimichurri. Start first with the chimichurri and see how it is. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. All right, marinara time.
What is this, pizza?
Mm-hmm.
What is it? The bread?
Cheese.
Or your cheese?
That's really, really good.
Yeah.
What's what?
Marinara is amazing.
I feel like I want like the green one.
No, the cheese.
Yeah, the marinara is really good.
Let me have the marinara.
Wow. I don't want chili.
Chimichurri is delicious.
Chimichurri.
Oh,
No, chimichurri is delicious.
yep. Throw the mozzarella sticks away.
I took a nice
Do that.
crispy cheese.
That's good. That's
Wow. That's
We weren't
really
on
good.
camera and kissed the chef.
That's so good.
Yeah, you definitely gotta make that. Provolone, cheese, dried for 3 or 4 days, cut 3/4 inch quarters, or rounds, let it dry in the refrigerator, and then just sear the shit out of it
That's so
until you
good.
get a super gooey, creamy
Yeah, and don't
center.
be shy, just grab some more.
I like the chimichurri.
They're both really good.
It's so.
I got description below. But watch Jeremy Yoder's channel, Mad Scientist BBQ. Look up his most recent video on making this cheese. He did a better job searing it than I did. I did not sear or oil my Blackstone. He did oil his, I'm pretty sure. But this is the only way to eat cheese. You don't even need pizza anymore. You just need cheese and chimichurri or marinara. So make this. Let me know if you do.